this is hard. Okay, I ain't gonna hold you. I did it one time before. If my angles are kind of weird, if my mirror is moving different ways, if whatever the case may be, I'm gonna work with what I got. Okay, and we finna do these brows real quick and fast, and just like that, the brows are done. Only if you could really do it like that in real time. But so yeah, brows are done. So now we're gonna move on to eyeshadow. So I went into my collection and I found this Makeup Revolution palette. It's the Integrity Wild Animal palette, and it's just perfect for the look we're gonna do today. Okay, perfect. So I just blended out that concealer, and I used the, y'all already know, I used the e.l.f. Caramel Concealer in the shade Fair Rose. Sorry. Yeah. Just putting that down for the base of my eyeshadow. So I kind of extended the eyeshadow a little bit because I feel like we're going to do an elongated cut crease, and I'm going to go over this black and I'm just going to deepen this up just a little bit. I'm just going to keep it here. I'm just going to buff out our shape and stuff. So I have my beautiful cut crease cut out. Okay, love that. I'm gonna make some animal prints, zebra lines on my eyelids. So wish me luck, wish me well, because I ain't never done this before, so I'm kind of scared. But hey, I'm good at what I do, baby. I'm a champion, you feel me? So we're gonna get it together, we're gonna get it right. Alright. I used the Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer and just put it all over my face. Now I'm going to go in with this CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Tint in the shade 510 Porcelain. I'm going with, of course, y'all already know I'm going with my Fenty Beauty Contour Match Stick in the shade Truffle. Y'all already know how I get down. And then I'm gonna go in to brighten up my under eye just a little bit. I'm gonna take this LA Pro Concealer. Using this for blush, you only need a micro mini dot. I'm not playing. You see what I mean? I literally only put like 2 mustard seed drops on there. Yeah, I went in with this setting powder. This is the Porcelain Black Magnet Soft Focus 02 Translucent Powder. It's doing the job, but I've already set my face. I definitely feel like it's not cakey. You know, it's cool. We just gotta see how it performs for the rest of the day or whatever. So now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer and my Milani Cosmetics blush. Put these together, and then we will proceed forward. I was fed up with your bullshit. And I woke up on bullshit. Hello? Oh well. So cool. We got everything on. Now we're gonna move on to lips, under eye, and highlighter. We should be done. I gotta find that black liner too. No, I have a black lipstick. if you want to do a black lip. My camera battery died. Sorry, y'all. Anywho, I outlined my lips with this J.K. Beauty lip liner in the shade Rich Chocolate. And then I just went in with the Ruby Kisses Forever Matte liquid lipstick in the shade DU. And then I just topped it off with some gloss. This is the Nicka K Diamond Glow lip gloss in the shade Fair. I'm gonna finish my hairstyle on camera. I don't know what I want to do. I told myself I was gonna do my makeup first, then I was gonna determine what I was gonna do with my hair because, yeah, I don't think I want to do a side part or this side part. I kind of want to push all my hair forward, you know, and give like a this kind of moment, you know. But that means I'll have to cut the hair instead. I just want to make sure that it looks good before I cut it, because once I cut it, it's a done deal. So I'm trying to see. Cause I have to cut it to where like you can see, you know. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it. With my scissors. With my scissors. It's hot. Should I cut it a little bit more? Don't piss me off, for real. Don't piss. Oh my God, why did I do that? Oh my God. Bro, I should have left it alone. This is gonna blow me. I should have left it alone. I should have left it alone, bro. Damn, bro. Bro, I should have left it alone. I'm not gonna get mad, bro. I should have just left it alone. Scratch all of that. I did not like the direction that was going in, so I took the little strings that I cut and I just put them in these little, I don't know what you want to call them.